What's up, my guys? Today we're gonna talk how much I made in real estate from my rentals in 2021. I have total of 4 rentals at the time of this recording, but we're gonna look only into the rentals. I forgot to turn the mic on. Classic Christian. But like I said, we're gonna talk about only about from January till the end of December in 2021. I got 4, like I said, one, and the first one will be my primary property that I have one tenant for a long time and a second tenant the last 2-3 months of the year. Also, actually now I see it from January till like September, I did not have other tenants, just one for a month. I had a second tenant-ish for a few days. Anyways, if you see the numbers here, we are bagging 5303. But this here does not include mortgage payment. So the middle column is just JEA, is electric, water, internet, but I do not include the mortgage payment. Now, I do not include the mortgage payment because I have to pay rent somewhere and I pay $650 in rent, which is $650 mortgage. But keep in mind, there is a principal pay down and there's appreciation that we're gonna talk into a little bit, and actually why not talk about it now? So principal pay down, let me come here real quick. It's $1,700 of principal pay down for this property. Appreciation, it's hard to tell year by year, but right now this property is worth about $200,000, and in 2018 I bought it for $115,000. So you do whatever you want with those numbers. Okay, second property that turned into an Airbnb, as you can see here. We have 3 months, August, September, October, actually 4 months, July, August, September, October, which that's too long for a renovation. But we got some minus there because we were renovating. All in all, we have here, it includes everything. HOA, mortgage, internet, electricity, water is included to the HOA. So here we include everything, and this number is pure. In the previous one, we did not include mortgage because I live here and I'm paying also rent, right? Okay, so here we're profiting $36.21, which is not bad. How much is that a month actually? $36.21. So that's $300 a month. It's all right. The property is fully renovated. There's almost nothing that needs to be done on it. I think everything is absolutely new except the heater. Roof is a year and a half old. HVAC is a year old maybe. Everything is super new, guys. Now here, what this does not include is the expenses for HVAC, saying the renovation cost is about $33,000 if you see my video about it. If you don't, follow this link up here or the link down below and go to my playlist for real estate and watch my Airbnb series there. I mean, it's not really a series, but whatever. It's Airbnb into the real estate playlist. So keep in mind, next year that we're going to be better because it's gonna net me somewhere along the lines of $1,500 to $2,000 a month net, not $300 net like it's now. Okay, next property that I sold my 2 Bitcoins and I bought it, a link up here and down below. I bought it for let me see, actually for this property I bought for for 63,000. Right now is about 115, I think. And let's see the principal pay down here. So principal pay down is $1,084 at this point. This property about 2019. Let's move to the next one. And I think I said appreciated to 115, around that number right now. And my duplexes are there that I'm going to be buying. Wait for those videos soon. Property number 3, that like I said, the Bitcoin was sold on $10,000 a piece. I did not make any money. I had 2 Bitcoins, and the $20,000 that I had put down on this property, I bought for 112. Right now is around $200,000 worth $200,000. I did increase the rent. Unfortunately, that did not bring me a lot more revenue. If you want to see February, that's $365 instead of $275, so $90 more in rent. The average rent into this neighborhood jumped with about $600. So I'm charging $1,035, and the rent into this neighborhood is about $1,600 to $1,700. But I can't really do that to the tenants. They're good tenants also. They always pay on time, so bumped it up a little bit. And by the way, from March, this number here, 759, that you see for my mortgage will be more. It's going to be around 850 because the insurance went up almost double. So my profit will be around the same $270 from this property. Anyways, we are bagging $3,405 for this one, and principal paydown is $1,660 principal paydown. All right, and last property, I don't have that much data on this one. I gotta calculate by hand here, but here's the last property. I'm still under the short-term loan. I'm trying to refinance into a long-term loan. It's been almost full 6 months. A lot of appraisals came low. Maybe I want to make a separate video on that one. But this property all in all cost me $6,600. Everything. So far, I have recouped $29.23, and when we minus $324.24 for JA, water, sewer, and inspection, we're actually making on this property $25.98. Honestly, maybe I should include insurance for 6 months here. Let's minus $600, $100 a month for insurance that I have not included here, and I should. Actually, thank you for reminding me, guys. So we're making about $2,000 on this property. We got it for $6,600. So in about 3, 4, 5 months or whatever, I'm gonna make my money back. So in about a year, I'm making my money back on this property. It was a pretty good deal. All right, so all in all, what is the total amount? What is the total number? I'm gonna list it somewhere here because right now I did not really calculate it. All right, guys, well, this is what you can expect. Oh, this property bought for about, I think, $101,000, and it's worth $135,000. So I'm gonna put the equity gain somewhere here since purchase of every property, and I'm gonna include here the cash flow in total for 2021, and let's divide it by 12 and see how much a month that made me. Alright guys, thank you very much for watching. Simple way to support the channel is give it a like and subscribe if you like to learn more about business and the real estate business at large. But I also have other businesses. If you've seen my videos, you know I got 9, trying to get rid of some of them. Thank you very much for watching. Keep hustling and keep grinding, and don't forget the goal is to be rich, not to look rich.